Good morning. Today is 5th April 2022, and today was a great day for us as well. So today market was within the range, so we couldn't expect much of it. Okay, and this is the trade we got it today. Let me explain to you. Market is rotating within the value area, so you can expect a lot of rotation. And I informed you in the Telegram channel that there can be a stop loss hunt as well. So there was one stop loss hunt happened today as expected at 9 o'clock. It happened at 9:16, 9:17, sorry, 9:20 it happened. So when why the stop loss hunt happens? Because when the graph is within the when the market is within the value area, that is when it happens. Okay, so this is just for your knowledge. Okay, so and I gave two trades. One I gave it in 38,700 PE. The same is reflecting in the live trade group, and it reached from 500 was the entry. It reached 692. Okay, let me show that to you. Give me a minute. Okay, so we are back. So this was the trade which was given was 38,700 PE. The entry was at 500. Okay, and it reached 697. It reached how much? 724. Okay, so people who are not able to take today and joined for the fresh today, so please don't get disappointed. You need to understand the rhythm of mine, how I give a trade and how I analyze the market. So please don't get disappointed. Today is not the end. Tomorrow we will definitely continue our trade and do it. Okay, and Bank Nifty future, this was our entry. Okay, this was an entry that is at 38,437, and the stop loss was here. Okay, 500, 38,500, but it hunted the stop loss as expected in the morning at 9 o'clock. But again, one of a person, Mr. Anand, he took the trade. He messaged me. I don't know how many people took it, and he exited at this range. I was expecting it to tag 38,129. But then that's okay. So the stop loss which I gave you later on 38,336, it hunted there, but still you should be in the green because the entry was here. Okay, so we got 200 plus point there. So basically what I mean to say, you guys, please don't get disappointed. Okay, who could not join, definitely we will trade tomorrow. So these are the two trades which we got it, and we made a good points. The first one was around so let's keep it 190 because this is after recording. Okay, so 692 while recording it went there, so 190 the point we got it, and around 200 points we made it here in Bank Nifty future. Okay, so we got about 390 points today, that is on the 5th of April 2022. Okay, so people who made money already, who are in profit, so I would suggest please close your terminal, don't wait for the big. Okay, we will trade tomorrow, and as I informed here, the market is within the range. See here, the market is within the range. It can be a stop loss hunt. Okay, so avoid big trade. People who want to trade later, so avoid big trade. Okay, and in case if it's big breaks today's low, it has all out to tag 38048. That is 38048, this number. Okay, so I would still suggest don't go for big. Okay, don't go for big. If any good trades, I will update in the Telegram channel. Stay connected. Please subscribe and like the Telegram, like the YouTube channel. Okay, so stay connected. Catch you tomorrow. All the very best, and stay positive. Bye bye. Happy money, happy trading. Bye bye.